Hello, my name is George, and in today's video I'm going to do a very simple tutorial on how to change your username on Mixer. It still amazes me that to this day that there's people that ask me this question many times a day regarding how they are supposed to change their username on Mixer. So when you make a new Mixer account, your default username will be chosen to you, randomly generated by their system. So it's very generic, and generally it's going to behoove you to change this username to something that maybe you were using on a different stream platform, or maybe you want to make it the username that your Google account actually is. So yeah, it's very simple procedure. As I always say, if you lose your place within the video, just go back to where I first started and then follow the steps very carefully, and you'll be able to successfully change it. So first things first, you're going to need a browser. So you're going to need like Firefox or Chrome or whatever, and then you're going to need a Mixer account. And then yeah, that Mixer account might need to be active for a certain amount of time, but again, once you make it, you should be able to change your username if you're active on it or actively on it. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, in my case, I'm opening up Chrome here. You can do it in any other one. And then I'm going to go to www.mixer.com. And then I'm already logged in this account because I'm active on it every day, or actively using it every day. And then I go to if you're logged in, it'll show you your own avatar on the top right. So you click on the avatar, and my name is set to Cash Me Out too. I have no intention of changing that today, but yeah, for contents purposes, I will show you how to change it. So once you go to your avatar and click this screen right here, so you'll see you get a drop-down screen right here. You go to where it says account. It's the button all the way on the bottom over here. Click on it. And then what you want to do is on this settings section, and you can see where it says settings, on the right side under where it says, on the right side where under password, it says change username. There's really no way to miss it. And I'll get the magnifier out because I am uploading this to YouTube in 720p, and some people have trouble seeing this. So it's the settings section under account, and then you got your change password right here, and then right underneath that is change username. So in my case, I have Cash Me Out 2 as my username, which is the same as Twitch and like DLive, YouTube, all kinds of other streaming platforms, Twitter, such and such. So suffice to say that I made my username Cash Me Out 2 on Mixer. Now, there are, of course, names that you're not going to be able to produce because it has some bad words in it. So you have to refrain from using a bad word in your name. There's some people that fiddle with their username so they can accommodate bad words within their, or curse words within their name. I don't know if you'll be successful, but you can go ahead and try it once you're successful and making a name. So I will just make one, your username here, and then this one is probably going to be successful to make if I were to change it right now. Click the change username button, and then underneath your avatar, once you click your avatar, and again, if you have successfully changed the username, if it is available or if it does not have bad words or curse words in it, and you've successfully changed it, you can look to your top right. So I'll re-click it again. You can click on this right here, and then it should be changed. Like I said, in my case, it's Cash Me Out 2, and it's been successfully that since day one. So yeah, very simple, easy peasy. Go to your account, go to change username, enter your username. If it's a reasonable username, then it will update right here almost instantly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Again, just go back if you weren't able, or if you weren't successful the first time, and try again, because this is the only way that I know how to change your username on Mixer. I'm very new to it, and I was able to figure this out on my own, but many people come and ask me, so here we are making a YouTube video regarding it. If you have any comments or questions, put them in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please help me out by doing so. Please like the video, please share it, it'd be much appreciated. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for coming to check me out. I have videos uploaded every day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.